Hey guys, it's Austin at Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. Got two F450s to show you. I've got the F450 Limited, which I've shown you guys before. This truck's stickers for $91,140. While on the other hand, you can get an F450 King Ranch a little bit cheaper. It's stickers for $84,825. They're both very capable of pulling the same weight. The way these are upfitted, they're capable of pulling 32,500 pounds via gooseneck trailer. This King Ranch has pretty much got every bell and whistle you can get. Just like the Limited, really you're just going to see difference in the aesthetic. So for instance, this truck has got the Java interior, while the Limited, on the other hand, has the Camelback interior. Both of these trim levels only come with one interior option, so you can't pick a different leather or anything like that. This one here is blue jean with the gray bottom, while the Limited here is white all the way across. Both of them have the FX4 package. Both of them have the big panoramic roof, adaptive cruise control, lane departure, all that good stuff. So if you don't quite want to spend the 91 grand, you can spend the 84 grand and get just as much truck pulling wise. They're beautiful trucks. I'll go through here and give you a little bit better view of the insides here in a minute. Both of these trucks are here and available. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a shout. I'll put my 1-800 number here on the bottom. We're at 625 Garvin Lane in Franklin, Kentucky, the home of no dealer fees and no dock fees. Appreciate y'all's time and hope y'all have a great weekend.